Well, now they're executing people in the streets. What in the hell has this world come to? When you can't even go out in public and express your own beliefs. Even in a peaceful manner. Among people who say they're inclusive, who insist that they're accepting of other people's beliefs, ideas, and identities. Obviously, nothing could be further from the truth, or these things wouldn't be occurring. Everyone's so concerned about a overblown, hyped outbreak that they're still willing to silence themselves, hide in their houses, as their country, lives, and liberty are threatened more and more every day. So let's try and be practical about this, logical about it, because that's what conservatives do. If you're participating in protests, and there's rioting, and there's looting, and there's murder, by continuing to participate, even though that's not what you're doing, does that make it so that you support rioting, looting, destruction of public property, and murder? In my opinion, yes it does. Because you're continuing to go to functions and events where those kinds of things keep happening. So let me fill you in as to why everything has escalated and will continue to do so. The CDC just came out over the weekend and updated their COVID-19 numbers, seeing as how the Trump administration demanded accountability. And the COVID deaths in the U.S., according to the CDC, are 9,000 people and some change. Not nearly the amount that has been reported throughout the media and social media platforms worldwide, for that fact. So that means that they're losing the narrative. And in order to regain control, they have to do what they've always done. Have another event to distract everyone from the last distraction that didn't work or isn't working. They want to clog up the news cycles with a whole bunch of events that distract everyone from what's really important. The fact that treason was committed during the Obama administration. The fact that Hillary Clinton had a secret server that holds the key to how all of it worked. The fact that it's all on the verge of being exposed. And the more anarchy and chaos they think that they can cause, the more likely it is that they can distract the American public from the crimes that they have committed throughout the years. Because this is a lot bigger than just the Obama administration. It goes a hell of a lot further back than that. And it's quite literally a race to see if they can institute the policies that they want to institute worldwide before it all comes out, before it's all exposed. one thing that's key in all of this that everyone should remember, they can't pull off any of it unless they control the military. And the head of the Joint Chiefs of Staff just released a statement on Friday saying that the military has no role in the election, meaning that they're not going to participate in a coup. But the train has left the station. They've already pulled their event, released their pawns upon the world. So there really is no turning back now. Because it's just like I have been saying all along. They can't stop. They won't stop. Their crimes are too great. And obviously, the people who run all this, the smart, dumb guys that run everything, have absolutely no problem with terrorizing the American public. Absolutely no problem with potentially putting your life on the line because of it.
I wish I could tell you that I knew how all of this was going to play out, that I know what they're going to do, but that'd be a lie, because I don't know how it's going to play out, and I don't know what they're going to do. But all I know is that everything's inverted, that the people who are calling other people Nazis are the actual Nazis, that the people who are insisting that people are fascists are the actual fascists, promoting one group over the other and standing with criminals instead of by law and order. It's raining tyranny, and the river is about to overspill its banks. And potentially flood out the very foundations of everything we're supposed to stand for or believe in. So you better get out your waders and your rain gear, because things could potentially and more than likely get very deep. Because there are a lot of variables at play, and very few of them end up with a rosy conclusion.